Breaking news.
Nano Banana Pro is free for 1 year, and here's how you can get it. Nano Banana, if you don't know, is actually Google's most powerful image generation model ever built. And invdieo AI is actually the only tool where you can get Nano Banana Pro free of cost and in an unlimited way. And invdieo also has it before the rest of the world. Now that said, I want to show you exactly how to get it and how people are already using it to make great money online as a beginner. Welcome back to the Rockstar Academy. I'm extremely excited. This model is insane. It's Google's next generation AI photo engine, and listen, it leapfrogs everything we have seen before now. It delivers cinematic, controllable, instruction perfect images with capabilities that older models and manual tools can't match. And if you're wondering, why is everybody going crazy over Nano Banana Pro? Here is why that's the case. And I'm going to give you a few reasons, and entrenched in these reasons will be how you can use it to make money as a beginner. Now, the first reason why people are going crazy, including myself, is character consistency. And if you've been watching this particular YouTube channel for some time now, and I'm talking about before the videos were removed or deleted, you probably remember when I used AI to create a kid's storybook featuring a little girl named Gabrielle. As you can see here, on every single page of this book, Gabrielle looked completely different. She has a different face, different hair, different proportions, and no matter what I did, I could not get her to look the same from one scene to the next. That's character inconsistency. What Nano Banana Pro will give us is character consistency. To demonstrate just how powerful this new character consistency feature is, let me show you as I share the first way that you can actually use Nano Banana Pro to make money online. Now let me grab my computer because we're going to be doing this together. And for the record, most of what I'm going to show you can be done on an actual phone, a tablet, a laptop, or a desktop computer. Now let's start with prompting ChatGPT, and we're gonna say, give us a kid's bedtime story featuring a main character called Odetta. And once we have this story that I'm showing you here from ChatGPT, we will then prompt it to give me a prompt that I can use in Nano Banana Pro to create all the images in cinematic style for this bedtime storybook, including both the visuals and the story text on each page. Feel free to modify the prompt based on the results that you are looking for. Now, with my current invdieo AI subscription, I actually get unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro free for a full year. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get access to this later in the video. Now, on the invdieo AI homepage, we're going to select agents and models as I'm showing you here. We're then going to click Nano Banana Pro and then select New Project. And let's give our project a title and click Create. Now next, we're going to take the prompt that ChatGPT generated and we're going to paste it into the command box here on invdieo AI. And you can also choose the page size for the book right here depending on your preference. Now go ahead and select Unlimited, and as you can see here, in a matter of seconds, invdieo AI generates the entire book, page by page, using Nano Banana Pro. Let's take a look at our book pages. And I want you to keep in mind that we created this by mostly copying and pasting and clicking a few buttons. As you can see here, Nano Banana Pro keeps the same Odetta character perfectly consistent across different pages, across different poses outfits, scenes, and shots. In the past, this would take weeks of hiring illustrators, reviewing drafts, sending edits, and going back and forth. Now you can actually create an entire cinematic children's storybook in a few minutes and sell it as an ebook, a PDF, or a print-on-demand book online. Now, if you wanted to make your book pop even more, you can go ahead and copy and paste the prompt for each individual page, of course with the intro, as I'm showing you here on screen. That way your scenes are more fine-tuned. Here are some examples of 16 by 9 size pages that I created using this page-by-page approach, and I think this is simply amazing. And if you agree, I want you to write the word amazing in the comments. But listen, rock stars, this is only scratching the surface of what I'm about to show you later in this video. Now, you can actually sell these storybooks online for around $10 to $12, and with good marketing, if you're able to build up your sales to about 10 copies per day, that's about $3,600 per month. And this is, of course, before fees, using a product that you created in a matter of minutes. Now, another reason why creators are going crazy over Nano Banana Pro is its multi-angle generation. And I know that sounds confusing, but you know I'm going to break it down. It actually turns a single photo into a 3D understanding of a particular subject. And it does it instantly, generating front, side, back, three-quarter, and alternative angles with incredible accuracy. And here's how you can turn this particular feature into real income. One of the most in-demand services online right now is real estate virtual staging. Let's say a real estate agent is trying to rent or sell an unfurnished house, and they want the rooms to look properly staged, which is obviously best for advertising. All you'll need to do to monetize this is to ask the agent to send you photos of the empty rooms that they want to stage. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna head over to invdieo AI, and again, you're gonna select Nano Banana Pro. And what you want to do is to click this plus icon in the prompt box that I'm showing you here to upload one of the empty room photos that you got from the realtor. Now, let's prompt Nano Banana with something like, stage this space as a coastal, modern, luxurious bedroom. And rock stars, as you can see here, in seconds, the empty room is transformed into a beautiful, furnished, magazine-worthy interior. Real estate agents out there are paying anywhere from $30 to $100 per image for this service. If you are able to get 10 photos like this done for an agent, that will equate to $300 to $1,000 from one single client. Now, will it be easy for you to get these clients? Absolutely not. But with everything, it's possible. And listen, you can also customize your prompt to fit any aesthetic. As an example, you can say, stage the space to be Scandinavian or rustic or traditional or minimalistic or contemporary, as I'm popping up here on screen, whatever the agent prefers. Now, that said, let's move to the next reason why people are going crazy over Nano Banana Pro, and it is perfect text rendering. No gibberish, no warped letters, no melting fonts, no half symbols, just clean, accurate, sharp, print-ready text on posters, billboards, magazines, packaging, menus, on everything for that matter that I've at least tested. What I found was that older AI tools always struggled with text, but Nano Banana Pro provides clean lettering every single time with crisp edges, perfect spacing, and zero mistakes. It literally looks like a real graphics designer sat down and created it. Let me show you. enough talking. We're going to create the cover for the children's storybook that we made earlier using this prompt that I'm showing you here on screen. Look how beautiful and absolutely stunning this cover is. And as you can see, the text is flawless. Next, let's prompt Nano Banana Pro to create a 3D ultra high resolution mock-up for this book. And boom, here's the result. Now to market any product or even this book, we can use Nano Banana Pro to create AI photo shoot packs. And these typically sell for about $100 per pack online. Just go ahead and download the 3D mockup. We're then going to upload it as I'm showing you here, and we're going to enter this prompt. Generate 10 pro photo shoot style images of this book being used in multiple settings with multiple characters. Include a mix of wide shots and close-up shots ideal for marketing. Rockstars, as you can see here, we get exactly what we asked for. Brands actually pay for this. Etsy sellers pay for this. Amazon sellers beg for this. But let's go even further and create another income stream, because here's how Nano Banana Pro handles something like a magazine cover. I'm going to upload a photo of myself, and then I'm going to enter this prompt that I'm showing you here on screen. And rockstars, here is the result. A professional magazine cover with perfect, flawless text. But let's try one more heavy text example. And this one is actually a classic AI failure point that I have seen repeatedly: the coffee shop chalkboard. Now, let's go ahead and enter this prompt here in the command box on invdieo AI for Nano Banana Pro. And as you can see here, rockstars, Nano Banana Pro produces photo level results in a matter of seconds without touching a single layer. With quality like this, you can offer graphic design services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or your own personal website and deliver professional results in a matter of minutes. These aren't the only reasons why this model is so incredible. Nano Banana Pro also gives you full scene relighting, where you can change the entire mood of an image with a single prompt. You also get what's referred to as precise prompt adherence, which is accurate designs, perfect composition, and no hallucinations. As I just shared, you get Photoshop level quality in a matter of seconds. And this is work that would typically take hours to create. And of course, there's even more ways Nano Banana Pro can make money, to include print-on-demand designs, where you can create unique illustrations and patterns for things like t-shirts, posters, and even journals and mugs. Now let's recap. invdieo is the only platform giving you unlimited access to Nano Banana for free, and it's for a full year when you choose any of the paid plans on the platform. But rockstars, you can only capitalize on this offer if you sign up in the next 7 days. And if you're serious about image generation and video creation, and you want to access the most advanced AI video models like Sora 2 and Veo 3.1, then I strongly recommend the invdieo generative plan, which starts at about $100 a month. That's the plan that I personally use because it gives me the most bang for my buck. When you think about the fact that in one place you can create generative videos, stock-powered videos, and now cinematic money-making images using Nano Banana Pro in an unlimited manner that can actually earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month if you do it right, suddenly $100 invested doesn't feel like such a big deal anymore. Now, of course, there's no guarantee that you're gonna earn from any of this because everyone's results are different. But the fact that people out there, including myself, have made money using some of the exact methods that I just shared with you, we know it's possible. Still, everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only. That said, go ahead and click the invdieo link in the description to sign up and unlock Nano Banana Pro and start creating and potentially earning. Until next time, walk good.
Cash grants flowing, opportunities bright, empowerment blasting through the night. Financial freedom, it's within sight. Come on, join the fight.